Well, just a quick update right here and right now. I'm sitting here editing the video, and I realized that Flagstaff was in the last video, and I forgot to put Seligman, Arizona in the video. So you'll see in this video just a little chronological mishap, but not a big deal. So you're going to see part of Flagstaff again in this video, but I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for Volume 2. ManCave Mayhem strikes again. Make sure you watch us on YouTube. Alright, well, it's day 2 of our trip, and it looks like we're having issues. Well, just an update on the issues that we had with this dipstick. I got some JB Quick, and I JB welded the dipstick, so I'm not having to guess, or, I mean, I probably could have just guessed, but I figured, let's get the dipstick right. So there's a big old globule on the end of the dipstick, or in the middle of the dipstick there, and so, anyhow, we're using bubble gum and paper clips to keep this scooter together, so hopefully we'll survive this thing. Otherwise it's going to end up on the side of the road in a pile.
As you burn a hole in my back, through my checkered red lumberjack shirt, through my black t-shirt to my skin, I can't help but wish that Hitchcock would appear and tell us to walk back so we can shoot the scene again. But it's in your eyes, you see that you are breaking. It's in your eyes, and it cuts me to the bone. If we only could pretend that this was Hollywood, and when the tears begin, that someone would shout, cut. Maybe in the second take we could retrace our steps and make amends before the camera lenses shut. But I have to turn away, we have to give it up, 'cause this is real life, it isn't cinema, and nobody can twist this plot, not even Hitchcock.
All right, this is day 3 of our trip, and we are at Meteor Crater, just out of Flagstaff, and my wife, we have another casualty of our trip. We've been riding in the rain for probably about an hour now. We got a pretty good storm.
I kind of like wearing them though.
Yeah. She's a little punch drunk this morning. Don't mind her. But we've been riding in the rain for about an hour, and so we thought we'd go and check this place out. Just another adventure along the way. It's about 6 miles off of Interstate 40 or Route 66, however you want to say it. There's not much of Route 66 left, but we're going to go in and check it out. This is where we are, and that's what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty big. Pretty big crater, right?
Yes. Hey, there's a movie.
Hey, we get to see a movie. We're gonna go up the stairs now. Lots of them. My goodness. What have you gotten me into, woman? She's making me hike today. I don't know if my heart's gonna be able to take this. If you look behind me though, this thing is enormous. And I really hope that one of these things doesn't hit us again, because it could be problematic at the very least. This is the view I'm looking at right now. You can see the edge of the crater right there. Pretty crazy. That's looking down into the crater. The camera doesn't do it justice though. Anyhow, we're gonna enjoy this view, ManCave Mayhem style. Huge?
Huge. And it's not full of water.
And it's not full of water. That's another point that they made. And these are just all the telescopes you can use to view it. Different locations, various points of interest on the crater. Now we'll take you over here.
I'm not gonna go over there.
We're not gonna go over there. I'm gonna make her walk to the lower observation deck.
You see one crater, you've seen them all.
Wow. All right, we are in Winslow, Arizona at the visitor center. But yeah, we're on an old section of historic Route 66 right here. It's kind of a depressed area, I guess. You know, you can imagine this place back in the heyday before the interstate was put in, how booming it probably was. But at this point in time, it's a pretty quiet little town, and we should be hitting Albuquerque today. We're in hopes that we can get that. We're dealing with a little rainy weather, which we expected and we came prepared for, and the bikes seem to be doing good. Lazarus is surprising me. Old Blue is holding up, although she likes oil. She's been drinking about, I don't know, 1/4 to a 1/2 quart a day, about every 300 miles. So she's going through some oil, but we're gonna just run it till she dies. We're gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. My wife and I are arguing right now.
It's when they commissioned this, they wanted it to look like any American boy.
Okay, so this is Any American Boy, and we're on the corner, standing on the corner right there in Winslow, Arizona. Right? I want to get into some of that action.
I don't know if we can.
Let's go check it out. This is Glenn Fry right here, as he looked in 1970. Woo. 71. The wife knows better than I do.
Because I was listening to the presentation.
See? ManCave Mayhem made it to Winslow. So that's the way it goes. We're right on the corner. Look at this. This is Route 66, old Route 66. Look at the center emblem. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little area. All right, we're out of here. All right, we're just outside of Gallup, New Mexico. Ha-ha, right? What do you think? It's very pretty. Just look at this gorgeous view. Still got some rainy weather we've been fighting with, but nothing bad, nothing to complain about. And it doesn't do any good to complain anyhow, so we're just having fun, right? Right? You liking this, Granny?
It's good.
I guess we're recording. We're in Gallup, New Mexico. And you see my wife? It's recording. Hopefully recorded old downtown Gallup. I hope I got some of that on camera, but I don't know for sure if I did or not. So let's keep our fingers crossed and we'll see how it goes. We are at the Continental Divide. Woo! Right on. Rainfall divides at this point. To the west, it drains into the Pacific Ocean. To the east, into the Atlantic. Continental Divide. We had a long ride today. We are in Moriarty, New Mexico. And we rode, what did we ride? 415 miles today, so we're beat. And that was rain. Craziness. There was a pretty big storm, so we rode through that. And you can see we're in a Motel 6, like I said, in Moriarty, and it is a little bit ghetto. We're kind of exploded all over the place here. All right, it's Sunday, Father's Day actually, June 17th. Yes, and we are cleaning up this exciting room and getting ready to hit the road after 400 miles of riding. Yesterday, 400 and some change. We're ready to get back on the horse and ride again. So we're gonna hop on the steel horses and ride. Hopefully, what's our plan? Where are we gonna be? Elk City, what?
Oklahoma.
Elk City, Oklahoma by this evening. We shall see. And hopefully Nancy's scooter holds up. All right, that's it for episode 2 of our scooter trip via Route 66 to Chicago, and things are going to start getting interesting in this next one. So stand by for volume 3 coming up soon. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I'll try and answer them as quick as I can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again.